Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our the newest products on my right hand. This is a fully customized prep sinks. And the units, as we can see, there is a sample. So we can make any customized sizes you need and as many the compartment sinks you want. If you have any requests about these dimensions, you can send our the cut sheets and we can customize for you. And also the units was made in USA. So let me give you the sample measurements first. The entire length of the unit is about like 60 inches, 5 feet. And the width is about like 30 inches. And the overall height is about like 38 inches, include the backboard. So we can take a look closer to see the sink sizes. So we're looking the closers, we can see they have two individual sections. And actually you can customize the section too. You can using the either for one with a sink on side and this one complete flight, or you can make a multiple sink like these samples and with extension the length or depths or thinners. And so let me give the measurement for the sample one. The depth of the sink about like 12 inches. And 18 inches wide and the 18 inches long. And for the bottoms here, we have a jean sizes. The diameters is about like 3.5 inches. And between the two holes, the central, it is about like 4 inches. And when we're looking at the other side, we can see this preparations for the hand sinks coming with the splashy cover boards on the side. It is about like 13 and 3/4 inches long and 11.5 inches wide. And the depth of the units is almost about like 6.5 inches. Between the two hole mounting positions, it is about like 4 inches. And for this drain, the diameters is about like 2 inches. So the unit was made by all stainless steels, and even the second layers, even though we see they have a white color, the plastic covers on it, this one is just you can peel off it. When you receive it, you can remove those. You can see the stainless steels at the bottom too. This will be the all demonstration information about these products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.